Yes, so guys, hope you like the intro. We're gonna play medium today. Medium. I've got 2 on medium. Boop. Okay. I really hate the adverts. Whoa, they move! How hard is hard again? Hard must be really hard. You are kidding me, aren't you? No, this game is impossible. Can't I just get past one at least? Oh my god. Yeah. I need to remove the ads. Oh, that costs money. Can't. Golf. Wow. Oh my god, seriously, I don't want to build my own empire. But I know, I can see why Flappy Bird's. Why is Flappy Bird so hard? They need to make a version that's easier than Flybird. For like total utter noobs. I mean like big noobs. Oh my god, I got past 1, I got past 2. I ain't stopping until I got to 5. I ain't stopping until I got... I'm not stopping until I got to 5. Guys. Damn it, now I have to get to 5. Oh, new high score! It doesn't even say, yay, you got a new high score. I'm like, I got a new high score. You don't care, do you? You don't care. You got a new high score. 2. Oh my god. It's a new day. It's a new Flappy Bird. Alright, what is hard? But I can't believe what hard's gonna be like. Maybe it's gonna be hard. How have I got 9 on impossible? You're probably like, you haven't got 9 on impossible. But I have. I proved it to you in the last video. Okay, last Flappy Bird video. I did prove it to you. I mean, it's either the first or second one. Because I haven't done 2. That's oh, you're kidding me! I am getting to 5. Help me! Oh, that's like quite a good game. I don't really care. Oh, I get it! I'm beating the game! I'm beating. Oh my days! Oh my Only if I found out I was actually playing on easy. That'd be so Yes, I am still recording. I know I am. Unless my iPod's run out of charge, or if it's out of memory, it's hardly down. As far as I'm concerned, I could be talking to myself right now. Let me just tick. Bloop. Oh yeah, it has. Oh my god. Okay guys, I need to get to 5, but then I don't want to get to 5 because it's so annoying. I better get some likes on this video. Guys, let's go for 5. Let's go for 2 likes. If we can get 2 likes, that'd be amazing. I won't upload the next Flappy Bird video until I've got 2 likes. So, yep. Yes, I got to 5! I got to 5! I'm gonna end the video now. Bye, guys. 5! Yep, and just to prove. Oh, guys, another thing. Let's like this party. Pretty or goth? Yep. Post in the comments. Impossible. If I just kill myself. 9! 9. Goodbye, guys. Can I just... Yep, so, top scores, yep. So, guys, I will see you later. Bye. Oh, yeah, and I hope you like my intro. If you like my intro, give a thumbs up, rate, comment, and as always, subscribe. Boop.